Hey guys, what's up? Sunday today, busy day at Arkbots HQ. As you can see, Hong Ye Waiter is doing some clearing up behind me. The Arkbots team is expanding soon actually, so that's why we gotta shift things around a little bit today. I think they're gonna be cleaning up, organizing the space a little bit. We're still building lots of boards today as well. So I have to be the one going out to do the IKEA run. Hong Ye Waiter, maybe just say hi.
Hi everybody. Feel the magic.
Feel the magic, right? So I'm gonna get on with it. Out! So we're doing an IKEA run. Reason, as I said earlier, we need some furniture to organize our space a little bit. It's exciting times because the Arkbots team will be expanding soon. We definitely need to organize our space a little bit. So far there's been just 3 of us in the team, and we basically do everything. We are a small team, as you can tell. Hong Ye and Waiter will be building boards, and I guess I have to build some furniture today. So yeah, we're driving down to IKEA to get like a longer desk and some shelving so that we can stack our boards vertically. If not, they're taking a bit too much floor space at the moment. Yeah, it's a Sunday, we're all tired, but you know, if you want to run a hardware startup, you gotta be prepared to work long days and many days. I once had a friend tell me, you know, the best business advice I've gotten running a startup is you gotta ask yourself, how much are you willing to suffer for it? Okay, this is what we're here for. We are here for the IVA, which is on like 20% off. There you can see. So I'm gonna find the right model and kind of pick it up. So let's go. Alright, got the IVA. Now we're gonna find like the long table. And this makes for a great camera stand as well. Okay, trickiest part of doing an IKEA run by myself is to actually get to the car, leave the stuff over there, hope nobody steals it, and load it up by myself. So that's always the trickiest part. Okay, so that's the IKEA run done. I'm gonna head back to Arkbots HQ. Everything is in the car safely, so it's fantastic. Okay guys, so that was our Sunday done. We've built some boards, we've got our office organized a little bit, built some IKEA furniture. Yep. It's all good. I think, you know, it's been a long week. I guess we'll see each other tomorrow again.
Yeah.
So 7 days a week, man, that's what you need. That's what you need. So okay, so yeah, it's us, we're done. We'll upload some other videos this week. We got some range test coming up, and so do stay tuned, hit us a like, hit that subscribe button, and it's us.
Feel the magic.